How to add credit or debit card to Macy's app. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Macy's is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your app store and then install it. Once you have it on your device, open the app. Here, you have to enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, what you want to do is head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. In here, tons of different options will be visible to you, but you have to head over to Macy's card. Now simply tap on Add Card. You have to wait for a while for it to load. There you go, it will land you on space. In here, what you want to do is, first of all enter the card number of your credit card, and then enter the name as it appears on your card. Also enter security code of your card. Don't forget to mention last 4 digits of the primary card's holder's SSN. Once you have entered the necessary details, scroll all the way down and then tap on Add Card. Once you click on Add Card, your credit card will be added successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card on Macy's app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.